Let's go on the loop.
At the light, turn left. Then turn left onto Parade Street.
If you don't get lost.
At the light, turn left.
Okay, bye Lou. See you later.
First car meet. First car meet in Japan.
First car meet ever.
First car meet organized in Japan.
I'm excited, and I also can't wait for it to be over.
First secret underground.
We outside? We outside. Yeah. All right. 9:35. I think we're a little early. Okay, so we're out here. Mozcraft came out. Early birds. And we got the EK4 over here. Mozcraft lip. Carbon fiber hood, TEs. Nice. EG over here. Looking good. Got the Subaru. And this EJ1 coupe over here, super badass. I like the almost NASCAR style livery on it too. But man, this thing looks super battle ready. And this just pulled up. Gathers EK. Okay, so just a quick breakdown. Just doing a little meet and greet tonight out here in Osaka while we're in town. We have really only a short time while we're in Osaka, so I just wanted to try to gather together some of our friends and hopefully catch everybody on one night. And so far, I think it's gonna go pretty well, so I'm excited and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody. Yo, man. This fool grew taller since I last saw him like 2 months ago.
You gotta eat your vegetables.
Mr. John, Jabco Zoom out here.
Okay.
We meet again. Osaka.
Go Zoom.
Yeah.
Hit me up if you need some
yeah.
imported cars from Japan.
Right here, brother. Hit your boy up. Alright y'all, well I'm gonna try my best to take you guys along on what's going down over here, but honestly like I feel like there's so many things happening all at once, so I'm gonna be like a squirrel all over the place. But I mean, dude, look at this row of Hondas right here. We got the EG6, this thing's all slam, got the Buddy Clubs on there, Jay's Racing fenders, we got Mugen decal. It's just it's already a crazy turnout. It's like not even 10 o'clock yet. We told everybody to come out at 10 o'clock, and honestly, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't even think if 5 cars are going to show up, but I mean, hey man, this is freaking amazing. It's so dope. But yeah, seriously, like, we got this EK9 over here. We got another EK9 in black, which I don't see very often in black, so that already stands out alone. But this thing is super clean. TEs. Stock body for the most part. Yeah, this was nice, dude. Super clean. Got it. EG Civic over here. This one's got a more Kansai style paint scheme going on to it. Very traditional Osaka spec. And we have this really clean EF over here. Paint looks fresh. Nice wheel fitment. Man, super clean. Amazing. In the mix of the Hondas, we got an R34 right over here. Wow. This thing is all slammed too. Look at that. Fitment's on point. Silver on silver combo here. Damn, this looks good. We're seeing this car again from last time. Looks like it's on a different set of wheels this time though. It still is rocking the air ride. That crazy installation there in the back. Damn, dude, check out this right here. Wow. Alright, so this thing's got a full-blown kit on there. Can't remember the name right now off the top of my head, but if I can find out for you, I'll plug it in here in the footnotes. We're gonna go all the way to the back. Check it out here. Obviously the kit continues to the back, and it's got a center exit exhaust too. Look at that, that's pretty wild. Damn, dude. So this one, Temple racing car. Honda turnout's amazing today, guys. It's crazy. But then again, we're in Osaka, so you should already know. And then we got a few DC5s out here too. Nice. Also, some Itasha style over here present today. R33. Good looking car. R32 Skyline right here, parked next to it as well. Looking mostly original, pretty stock, other than some wheels and maybe a just different brake caliper setup there. Then we got an EF tucked away here in the back corner. This thing is pretty cool, pretty low key looking actually. Dark. Tucked in the corner, you could almost miss it, but still looks really good, man. Really good. Hello. I'm scared to pet you. Still. But it's good to see you again. EF9 right here. KEF9. This thing, dude, this thing is... Okay, I'm already out of words. I got nothing to say, but this thing is so clean. Got clear tails too. I'm gonna step back over here and you'll get the idea. I mean, this car definitely just has a presence to it, sitting here like this, so. Yeah, I'm out of words, dude. And then we got the Supra right here parked next to it. Amazing. I'm sweating. It's crazy. Civics out here, dude. Team Samurai. Konbanwa. really starting to fill up. And it's like all Civics. Friggin' Civic heaven over here. It's crazy, dude. I really don't have much to say right now, guys.
I thought like 2 people were gonna show up.
We seriously just thought like 5 cars would pull up. This is amazing. Another homie over here just pulled up. Got the EG6 over here. Good to see it again. Then we got this EF over here with the racing gear livery. Or something like that. I don't even know, dude. This EF though, it's so sick. More cars out here. Back up on racing. And we have a Samurai, Team Samurai car here. Yellow EK. EK9 over here.
And getting shut down.
Got the Wadi EK over here. He was able to pull up today. Uh-oh. Is that Koban? Okay, better hurry up and finish these videos. Man. That's cool. Good to see it out. Good to see him again as well. Seriously, no words, man. It's just super clean, dude. A lot of work done here with 5 Mark, Osaka JDM Kazu. So, but it's cool, man. It's a good turnout. Just a whole lot of different groups of people out here, including our Koban friends. But it is what it is, man. Still glad that we can make it happen.
That was great.
let's try this again.
Genki desu ka?
Yankee days. We, of course, inevitably got kicked out. So, we'll try this again.
Peace of mind. Hey, Joshi.
Spicy.
Okay, well, a little update if you haven't figured it out already. We did get relocated involuntarily, but we're out here now, back in downtown Osaka. And so, looks like a few homies made it out here. We're just kicking it. We're walking around, saying what's up to everybody, and of course, checking out some cars. So, I'll try to grab some videos for you guys. So, pretty sick EF9 Civic over here. Very proper, classic livery style for EF. And I like the mismatched wheel setup too. And we got this EG over here. Damn, this is clean. USDM corner lights. This is sick. Nice. So yeah, a few cars that we were looking at the last area made it here as well. So this is great. It's a little colder over here, but I'm glad we were able to cruise back out again.
My house.
Wait, I should get.
I said. Item. My honey.
Okay, well, what time is it now? 2 in the morning, which is still early by Osaka standards, but
Because most of them have work tomorrow.
most of them have work tomorrow, today, later today, but they'll probably still be out till like 4 in the morning anyways. So first, wait, okay, seriously though, first of all, I gotta say, I am super mind blown right now, guys. Basically what happened was we decided that while we were in town, we're gonna try to throw a little meet so we can see everybody on our short little period of time that we're here in Osaka. And I just hit up a few people, like, you know, a few friends. I didn't even have time to announce it or anything or plan that much of it. It was just kind of like, let's just pick a location and do it. But dude, you guys all showed up and I'm so blown away. I feel super honored. I don't know what to say. I'm just so speechless. And I have a ton of videos that I'm going to go through now, which you've already watched because you're at the end of this video. But it's 2 in the morning and we're freezing cold. You guys all stood out here in the cold just to hang out with me. And so that's crazy. Not to mention, like, all the cars that came out tonight, it was like, there's still cars out. Like I said, 2 a.m. is early by Osaka, but like, dude, you guys all pulled up. The cars all look super badass. So kakoija. Thank you for coming out. Ai dakite arigato gozaimashita. It was just like all the homies were out, like, you know, everybody. I really can't name you all right now because I'm just so blown away. Like, but you guys were all here. You know who you are. I look forward to meeting you guys again. There's still more to come. We're still in Japan for a few more days, so we're gonna make the most of it. Again, thanks for all the homies that made this possible tonight. Shout out to John, by the way, Jakosun, for just reaching out and, you know, helping me make this happen, make this possible. And then also to to Mazcraft, I just want to say shout out to you as well for for just being willing to meet me out there. A lot of you guys just met me for the first time tonight, which is amazing that you guys are down to show up. So I'm thankful for that. Dude, it's still going. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. Does anybody sleep in the city? How could anybody sleep in the city when you got this like right next to you? But yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Like I said, you guys, thanks for coming. Thanks for showing so much love to me, to the channel, to my family, all that stuff, dude. So, maido arigatou gozaimashita. Okini. And thank you. You guys have yourselves a good night. Peace out.